Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Captain English. I am Jessica.
And I am Leo. Hello, friends. We are so happy to see you here today.
How are you today, Leo?
I am fantastic, Jessica. I am hungry, actually.
Hungry? Why are you hungry?
Because today we are talking about food. Delicious food.
That is true. Today's topic is very popular. Today we are talking about cheese.
Cheese. I love cheese. Do you love cheese, Jessica?
Yes, I do. I love it very much. But before we start, Leo, what should our friends do?
Yes, friends. If you want to learn English with us, please click the like button right now.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain English. When you subscribe, you help us make more videos.
So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, Jessica, let's start.
Okay, Leo, let's talk about cheese. Is cheese popular in your country?
Yes, it is very popular. We eat cheese every day. Usually, we eat cheese for breakfast.
For breakfast? That is interesting. In my house, we eat cheese for lunch or dinner.
I like cheese on toast for breakfast. It is warm and salty. It is delicious.
I agree. Cheese is usually salty, but some cheese is sweet, right?
Yes, some cheese is sweet, but most cheese is salty.
Question for our listeners. Do you like cheese?
Yes, tell us. Write in the comments. Do you like cheese? Yes or no?
I want to read your comments. Please write below.
Jessica, there are many types of cheese in the world.
That is true. There are hundreds of types. But let's talk about the famous ones.
Good idea. What is the most famous cheese?
I think cheddar is very famous. It is yellow and hard.
Cheddar, yes. I use cheddar cheese in sandwiches.
Me too. It has a strong taste. Do you like mozzarella?
Oh, I love mozzarella. It is white and very soft.
Yes, and it melts. When it is hot, it becomes soft and stretchy.
We put mozzarella on pizza, right?
Exactly. Pizza needs mozzarella. Without mozzarella, it is not a pizza.
Now I am very hungry. I want pizza.
Wait, Leo, we have more cheese to talk about. What about Parmesan?
Parmesan? Is that the hard cheese?
Yes, it is very hard and dry. We grate it on top of pasta.
Yes. Spaghetti with tomato sauce and Parmesan cheese. That is perfect.
Friends, do you know these cheeses? Do you know cheddar, mozzarella, or Parmesan?
If you know another type of cheese, write it in the comments. What is your favorite cheese?
Leo, how do you describe cheese? What words can we use?
Good question. We can say salty.
Yes, S-A-L-T-Y. Salty.
We can also say creamy, like cream.
Ooh, I like creamy cheese. It is soft. It feels nice in your mouth.
We can also say stinky.
Stinky? You mean cheese that smells bad?
Yes, some cheese smells very strong. It smells like old socks.
Ew, Leo, that is funny. But it is true. Some French cheese is very stinky.
But sometimes stinky cheese tastes good.
That is strange, but true. Sometimes the smell is bad, but the taste is amazing.
I prefer mild cheese. Mild means the taste is not strong.
I like sharp cheese. Sharp means the flavor is very strong.
Okay, so we have salty, creamy, stinky, mild, and sharp.
Friends, repeat after us. Salty,
Creamy,
stinky,
Good job, everyone. Your pronunciation is getting better.
Leo, are you a good cook?
I am okay. I am not a chef, but I can cook simple food.
Do you cook with cheese?
Yes, often. I make grilled cheese sandwiches.
Ooh, tell me about that. How do you make it?
It is very simple. It is a perfect recipe for beginners.
Tell us the steps.
Step 1, take 2 slices of bread.
That sounds easy and delicious.
It is. The cheese melts, it becomes hot and gooey.
Gooey. That is a funny word.
Yes, it means soft and sticky, like melted cheese.
I love gooey cheese. I also like cheeseburgers.
Oh, a classic choice. A burger with a slice of yellow cheese.
It makes the burger much better.
Jessica, I have a question. Is cheese healthy?
That is a difficult question.
That is good.
But cheese has a lot of fat.
Oh no, but I want to eat a lot of cheese.
It is okay, Leo. Eat a little bit, not too much.
Jessica, cheese is international.
Yes, people in Europe eat a lot of cheese. In Switzerland, they have fondue.
What is fondue? It is a big pot of hot melted cheese.
Wow, that sounds like a dream.
Yes, it is famous in winter.
I want to go to Switzerland now.
Me too. Are you from Europe? Asia? America? Do people eat cheese in your country? Please tell us.
We read every comment.
Okay, Jessica, let's play a game.
A game? I love games.
This or that game. Pizza or cheeseburger.
I choose pizza.
Hard cheese or soft cheese.
Soft cheese.
Last one. Mac and cheese or cheese salad.
Mac and cheese.
Me too. Listeners, your turn.
Pizza or burger?
Vote in the comments.
Wow, Leo. We talked a lot about cheese today.
Yes, and now I am extremely hungry.
Me too. I will go make a sandwich. Before we go, let's review. We hope you learned some new words.
Listen again,
Thank you so much.
click like,
Share with a friend.
and subscribe.
Have a delicious day.
Bye.
Bye.